Hello, this is Mrs. Walton. I'm on the Davis School District homepage. I am going to access my Office 365 links, going to Quick Links, going down the list where I see Email, Office 365. When that screen appears, I will have some options. I am going to select Teams. Teams is how we are turning in our homework, and Teams is how we are finding our homework. When Teams appears, I want to make sure I have the correct team open. Looks like I do. I'm in Walton's Dragons.
Please say that again.
I see here that I am in Files. If I click here, then I can view posts. If I click here, I will see the class notebook. And if I follow along to the right, there is a list of assignments. I'm going to Files for the week of April 27th to May 1st, 2020. This shows your learning plan for the week. It is very similar to last week. Finding 2 articles in News ELA or ReadWorks on Monday and Tuesday. Choosing one on Wednesday that you're going to write about. Thursday will be your summary, and Friday you will go to Flipgrid and record what you wrote. My comprehension stories in ReadWorks. There are 4 of them. About fossils. After reading them, I answer the questions, which will then give me my score. Math is the same as last week. Science, the subject is going to change from severe weather to fossils. There was a Zoom meeting this morning, but I am also recording help using these clips, programs for reading that you can use as resources, math resources, resources for science, and places you can go for writing. Some of these are being used in this weekly plan, some are not, but you always have access to them. I was at the Davis School District homepage. I chose Quick Links. Down the menu of Quick Links, I'm finding Email, Office 365. Then I go to Teams. When Teams appears, there are different places I can go. What I'm looking for today is the learning plan for the week. And I can find it in General, and then this tab here, which is Files. And here I can open. That's how to access your weekly learning plan for April 27th to May 1st, 2020. This is Mrs. Walton out.